We're here through Habitat for Humanity of Hillsborough County through their Veteran Build program. We had a local member of the community that had some issues going on in his home. It was something that we wanted to step in and see what we could do to help.
To come out here and not only volunteer our time, but volunteer it for a fellow veteran, it really hits home.
This is the first time that we're doing doors and windows. This is typically a project that we can't do because it's so expensive. So when Power stepped in and said, hey, we want to partner with Habitat, it was heaven sent.
This partnership has been really, really beautiful. To me, the purpose of life is giving back to the people who need it.
Power is bringing me new windows and doors. It's giving us a new life.
Habitat, it's a life changer, not just for the volunteers, but also for the homeowners because they feel supported by their neighbors, by their community.
One of the things that we do here at Power is we lead with the heart first. When you just get a group of people together, you can literally start changing lives, and they'll change your communities too.